Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to edit a shop announcement on Etsy. This would be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. So, the method for you to edit the shop announcement or basically the title, whatever, it's similar to adding it. So you're simply gonna go through the same few steps. You simply, instead of adding your announcements, you're gonna click on edit and announcements, or similar to that, you're gonna click on add announcement so you can replace the older one. So how we can add the announcement so we can replace or edit the older one? Well, it's very simple. So the first thing, this is like a pre-requirement, which is basically to if your shop isn't open to the public yet, you won't be able to add an announcement until you open your shop. So this is something to note, as some people are not going to find their announcement. So this is something to take in consideration. If you do not have your shop open, then the announcement is not going to be published. Now, what about the rest? How can we edit it? Simply just from application itself, you could go to more from the navigation bar, scroll to the shop settings, select shop appearance, then select shop announcements. In there, you either will find add your announcement or edit your announcement. Simply just choose whatever fits you the best, then choose click on save. So this is for the first step. What about the second one, which is from PC? Simply just go to etsy.com, go to your shop manager, then select the pencil icon next to your shop name and the search channel. Then go to the announcements section and simply click on add shop announcements or edit it. In our case, simply click on edit and then click and write down your new announcement, then choose save. And yeah, with that being said, this is exactly how you can edit your announcements in Etsy. If you did enjoy this video guys, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.